Hello and welcome back once again, guys, to our YouTube channel Oracle DBA Online Training. We are happy to inform you that we are starting a new batch for Oracle 19C Advanced DBA Training. This batch will be starting from 30th November 2024. The timing for the batch will be 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. India Standard Time. You can convert this time based on your location and preferences. How you can do the registration, what are the topics that we are going to cover, all the details I'll be sharing in a quick few minutes. Before we move to the syllabus discussion, I would like to request all the viewers to please do visit our channel. And if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. There are lots of contents you can go through. There's a very detailed syllabus and discussion has been done so far. Well, looking at overall performances and responses from everyone, I am still looking at making a few more upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Do subscribe our channel. You can take a membership by clicking on the join button. There you can have a dedicated learning programs. If you are looking for any recorded session, you can always visit our website. Links are given in the description. You can take our recorded courses from this link. For training enrollment purpose, you can visit trainings section. There you can enroll based on your location and territory. You can enroll for the courses. Complete information related to the subject syllabus, everything is mentioned in this link. And you can find this link in our description of this video. So let's talk about the syllabus that we are going to cover for this new batch that is going to start from 30th of November. First of all, I have given the title as Oracle 19C Advanced DBA Training, which indicates that you are not going to just go through the syllabus, which doesn't include a very basic stuffs. So this will provide you the complete end-to-end training that is needed for Oracle Database Administrator. First of all, you might be also thinking like in the market, we already have a new database versions for Oracle database that is 23AI or previously it was 21C. Then why we should go with 19C? I would like to clarify the detail here. Like Oracle has just now announced that Oracle 19C database will be a long-term solution. It is already one of the best, I will say enterprise database product that is in the market, and it is going to be an extended support till the year 2032, and upgraded will be supported up to 2034, meaning that if you are looking at the current calendar 2024, still we have 8 years of down the line, or I'll say like almost 10 years down the line. So if you learn Oracle 19C today, definitely it is going to help you in your career. Okay, so my recommendation will be always go with Oracle 19C. And once you have a foundation with Oracle 19C program, database DB track, then you can definitely manage the any other new version of Oracle databases. So what are the syllabus that we are going to cover in this entire program? So as I mentioned, like each session will be of 2 hours. So we are covering almost 40 plus sessions. And this program will be for 4 months, where you can learn from the basics to the advanced topics of Oracle database administration. That's why I've given the title Oracle 19C Advanced DBA Training. So this syllabus start with basics of Linux operating system. There you will be learning about the commands. After that, we will be covering the Oracle database architecture and fundamentals of database. There we are going to cover up almost all the aspects of database architecture for Oracle database, such as memory, structure, process details. And in fact, you will be also getting a complete end-to-end detail about the logical and physical database structure. So if you have already have a foundation of Linux, so do not worry. This session is going to be a very quick, where you will be learning about the Linux operating system. You can say like this is just a revision for you. If you are not aware about the commands, definitely it is going to help you. We are going to create a virtual environments where you'll be learning all these commands. Along with this, Then we'll cover the installation of Oracle database software, meaning that we'll prepare a virtual environments. We'll be creating the software prerequisites. We'll do the software installation. There are different options are there for installation, like using the graphical user interface or silent installation methods. So we'll be covering all these things in this module. Once the software installation is completed, you'll be learning how to create the database, using the silent mode of database creation, or you will be doing the graphical user interface database creation. Not only database creation, but also you'll be seeing how to connect to the database. What is the like connectivity or listener creation, and all the network related stuffs you'll be learning in this module. Now, once we talk about 19C onwards databases, it is mandatory that you should be aware about the container database. So our syllabus is based on container database and pluggable database. So here we are covering everything related to the CDB and PDB. Okay. So this entire program is designed in such a way that you will be getting almost all areas of the database administration. Okay. So we'll cover all these aspects, like how you create the new pluggable database, or how you create the container database, how you connect to this PDB, CDB, and so on. Once the database is created, you need to know how to manage it, like how to start, stop, modify parameters, and checking the various logs related to the database. Now, important section, like since you are, suppose you are very new to the Oracle DBA track, definitely you should know structured query language, or it is also known as SQL. So we are going to provide you the complete detail about Oracle commands. Okay, like DDL, DML, how to manage them, what are the joins options in Oracle SQL. So all those areas that we are going to cover here. After this, module number 6 will be there. There you will be looking at the main section or management of the database, that is managing the table spaces, users, role privileges, and so on. We'll be seeing how to create the new table space, how to add the space to the table spaces, how to create the users, how to assign the privileges to the users, or how to create the roles. And we are also looking at like pluggable database point of view. After that, you'll be seeing how to manage the control file, review log file, arclog files, and so on. So this is mainly like a database main administrative task that we generally do. Along with this, we have to also learn how to take the backup and restoration of the database. There are various utilities available in Oracle database, like how to take the physical backup, logical backup using the data pump utilities. So not only the backup, you have to also know how to restore those backups. So all these different areas has been covered in this module. After completion of backup and restoration section, you'll be learning how to manage the data guard, or it is also known as a high availability feature standby database management. Okay, so in module number 6, 9, you will be learning all this detailed information, how to create the data guard or how to manage it. Then you'll be also learning how to perform the switchover, failover, how to troubleshoot the standby database related issues, various modes of the data guards. Along with this, you'll be also learning how to manage database data standby database using the data guard broker. So these information, these modules will provide the complete detail about the Oracle Data Guard administration. After completing the Data Guard syllabus, we are going to start with Oracle database patching, which is like a security fix for our Oracle database, and this is one of the key topics that every DBA should be aware about. So in this module, you're going to learn how to apply the patch, how to roll back the patch, what are the pre-checks that you have to perform before you go for patching for any database. After this, we'll also talk about Oracle database upgradation. Mainly our focuses will be for Oracle database upgradation from 12C to 19C, or in fact, we can also cover up 11G to 19C. If time permits, we are also going to talk about how you can upgrade database from, let's say, 19C to 23 AI version. Along with this, we are also looking at module number 12, where you are going to start with Oracle Real Application Cluster. That is one of the key topic that every DBA should be aware about. Oracle Real Application Cluster. Here we are covering a detailed Oracle rack syllabus. There you are learning about the architecture, installation, introduction. After that, you'll be we are covering the installation prerequisites, then two-node rack configuration, ASM management, rack commands, checking the various log associated with the rack. Also, you'll be learning how to add or delete the nodes in the rack environments. Then we are going to cover patching for rack, the important tools that are needed to manage the rack environment that we are looking at, backup and recovery related to the rack database, and then we are also going to cover a rack database end to end, rack database upgrade end to end, which includes upgradation of grid infrastructure and then upgrading the database. After this, we'll look at the performance tuning section. So in performance tuning, we are going to talk about details about wait events or of a database, like slow query performance issues, how to troubleshoot them. And then we are also going to provide you some of the important tools that you will be using to manage the performance related issues. We are also going to talk about how you can manage uh, any performance related issue with respect to AWR report, how to analyze the AWR reports, ASH reports, or ADDM reports. So all those things will cover up in the performance tuning areas. Then we are looking at Golden Gate syllabus, where we are covering the Golden Gate architecture, then configuration, software installation, unidirectional, bidirectional data replication. After this, finally we'll talk about monitoring tools, Oracle Enterprise Manager, that is OEM 13C, cloud control. In this module, you'll be understanding the architecture of OEM, configuration of OEM, like end-to-end software installation, which includes repository database configuration, and then OEM software installation, then deployment of agents on the host servers, as well as we are also looking at the dashboards of OEMs, monitoring of database health, performance related issues, how you can drill down with the help of OEM, then scheduling the email notifications, scheduling any jobs from the OEMs, how to create the standby database, then database administration via the OEM utility. So almost every aspect of Oracle DBA that we are going to cover in these 15 modules, from the basics to the advanced, which includes Linux command learning, then architecture, installation, and the database administration. And along with that, we are also looking at some of the advanced topics. Now, when it comes to what are the benefits that you are going to get from this syllabus, you'll be also getting interview questions and answers for each of the topics that we have covered so far. Along with this, you will be given a recorded session for the future references. Like after completion of each session, you'll be given a dedicated recordings for the same that will be available on Google Drive, from where you can download these. Apart from this, you'll be also getting a regular assignments for each of these modules. There's a dedicated WhatsApp channel that you can ask the questions related to the class, related to the subject that we have covered so far. Along with this, you'll be getting a documentation for each of the sessions. Let's say today I'm going to discuss about Oracle Enterprise Manager, how to configure that software. That for that documentation will be provided to you. Like it will be like a manual that you can refer during the practice. Along with this, if any software patches needed for learning purpose, that will be also given along with this course. Once you complete this course, you'll be given a course completion certification. Not only this course completion certification, if you are looking for any certification such as OCA or OCP, post completion of this syllabus, we provide the guidance on those areas as well. So this is a best way of learning Oracle database end to end. That's why we have given that this particular course a name as Oracle Database 19C Advanced Training, because we are covering the advanced topics. And this is going to be a weekend batch so that everyone can, get the time and learn this Oracle database skill set. So if you are India based student, the timing is this one. If you are USA based students or any other parts of world, if I mean you can convert this time based on your location and territory. You just have to Google like 7:30 p.m. IST to your time zone, okay, and it will provide you the exact timings. Mostly for US folk, this is going to be a morning batch. This is a Saturday and Sunday like weekend batch only, so you will be getting a time to learn this course end to end. Now, when it comes to registration for this course, you have to visit our website, or in fact, also you can ping us on WhatsApp. This is our contact number given here, 8169 158909. There you can ping us regarding the any queries related to the subject, related to the joining this batch. For easy enrollment, I'll recommend that you can register from our website. For India-based student, this link is active. For other peoples, you can go via this link. Once you registered, you can ping us on WhatsApp given here. If you are looking at syllabus details, you can always download the syllabus details from here. This is the timing for the class that you have to follow. So we are looking at you that uh, it is the best time to start with this journey, and this is going to be a 4 months dedicated training. So without wasting any time, let's start with this syllabus, and I hope that you join this batch as soon as possible, as soon as you see this video. And for early joiners, we are giving some discount as well. So without waiting too much, let's join this batch and enhance your skill with Oracle database administrative training that we are providing. And last but not least, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And for any recorded course, please do visit our website where you can get these courses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.